Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on Python tutorial by BR Tech World. So in this video, I will show you the use of power function in Python. So let's see how does it works and what we can do with this one. Okay, so first of all, you need to import maths for using these numeric functions. So I write here import math, and then I'm going to write here a variable, and the variable is a here. Now write math dot. Here you can see we have a number of functions. Okay, you can use any of them. So now this time we are going to use here power, pow. Okay, and then here you need to write the values. So first of all, you are going to write the number. So here our number is 2. Now you need to decide that how many powers you want for 2. So for example, here I write 2 and here I write 4. So here it will return me the results for 2 power 4. Now let me print this, print a. Now save the file and run it. Okay, so here you can see 2 power 4 is 16. And now let me show you with another example. Let me write b, and I can write here 2 power 4. Okay, now let me print here b, and if you will see here the results for both of these are same. Here we have a floating value and here we have an integer. The difference is this only. Now for example, here we have math.py. See, if I write here math.py and printing the value of c, we will get here the value for the pi. Now I want to convert the radian into degree. So how can I do this? To convert the radian into degree, I need to write here uh, a variable first and then math dot degree. Okay, and then in brackets you need to write math.py. Here you can see it's showing us an error because we haven't imported math. So first of all you need to import math here, then all these errors will remove. Okay, here you can see our file is now good. Let's print the a value. Okay, if I run the function, here you need to write degrees. Okay, now here you can see we get a value of 180 degree. Okay, now I can remove this line. We have missing s here. You need to write here s. Okay, then our degrees will be imported. So this is an example of radian to degree. What if I want to convert a degree into a radian? So what I need to write here? I need to write here b, then the math, and here I need to write the radian, and then math, sorry, then here you need to write 180. Okay, now it's so here if you see it's showing us converting angle x from degree to radian. Okay, so now we are converting degree to radian, we are converting 180 degree to radians. So I need to write here print and then b. Okay, now let me run the function here. So if you see here, we get a value that is 3.14, which is the value for the pi. Okay, so this is all about powers in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.